Hello and welcome to our Fingerprint padlock unboxing and instruction video. Let's start with what's in the box. We will find the padlock, the instruction manual, and a micro USB charging cable. Taking a deeper look at our padlock, we will find the fingerprint reader, the LED light, the steel shackle, and the USB charging port, which is concealed by a rubber lid. You can use any instrument to lift the lid, but avoid using anything sharp. To charge the lock, you can use any 5V DC power source, such as a phone charger or a power bank. The red LED lights up when in charge and will shut off when fully charged. Out of the box, any fingerprint will open the lock, indicated by a blue LED flash. We must register 2 admin fingerprints, which may belong to different individuals. Place any finger on the sensor until the blue LED flashes. Now, place the first admin fingerprint on the sensor 6 times in different positions, until the green LED flashes. Repeat the process for the second admin fingerprint. When the LED turns off, both fingerprints are correctly registered. Now let's test it. Only these 2 fingers should open the lock. Ensure correct positioning on the reader. If it doesn't work due to wet, dry or dirty fingers or incorrect positioning, it's not a malfunction. Just try again. You can register up to 50 user fingerprints. Open the lock with an admin fingerprint until the blue light flashes. Press the chosen user fingerprint 6 times until the green LED lights up. Now, both admin and user fingerprints should open the lock. To delete user fingerprints, place the admin fingerprint on the sensor until the red LED flashes, about 10 seconds. Then place the fingerprint you want to delete on the sensor until the green LED flashes. Now this fingerprint should no longer open the lock. To completely reset the lock and erase all the fingerprints, place the admin fingerprint on the sensor until the red LED flashes, for about 10 seconds. Now, place one of the admin fingerprints over the sensor until the green light flashes. The unit is now back to its initial state, and any fingerprint should open it. Thank you for watching. If you encounter any issue, please contact our customer service.